Okay, so when I'm solving this question here, the first thing I want to do is I always want to sort my numbers from lowest to highest. So that's the first thing that I'm going to start. Once you have your numbers sorted, you want to count to make sure that the question and your sorted values have the same number. So I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in both. So I think I've got all my numbers right. The next thing you want to do is you want to label the index of these numbers starting at 0 and going up by 1. Once you have your index, we can start solving these questions. Remember, the median corresponds to 50%, and our formula was just n minus 1 times the percentage. In this case, our n is just going to be 8, 9. Well, we have 9 values, so our n is going to be 9. Okay, so when we do this calculation here, this calculation is basically for our index. In this case, we found our index to be 4. We know that the fourth value is 6. So we can say that our median is equal to 6. Okay, again, for the B part, my index is going to equal to 9 minus 1, and our first quartile corresponds to 25%. Okay, so our index is going to be 2. Again, we go back to our numbers here. Our number with the index of 2 is 3. So we know that our first quartile is equal to 3. Oh, and I made a mistake. That should be the third quartile there in that C part of the question. So when you find your third quartile, again, the first thing you do is find your index. Then that's n minus 1. And the third quartile corresponds to 75%. So we know that our index is equal to 6 over here. We go back to our values. The sixth index has a value of 7. So we know that our third quartile equals to 7.